Hi everyone, I'm Ashlei Williams, editor of Plumbing Engineer magazine, and we are back for PHCPPros Live at the AHR Expo. I'm going to be speaking with Anthony Parenti, who is the HVAC channel sales manager at Klein Tools. He's going to talk a little bit about what we can expect from them this year, and just talk also generally on some trending topics that kind of matter to you guys.
Yeah.
So thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start with something that's near and dear to my heart as a millennial. Can you talk about the next generation? What is Klein Tools doing to inspire the next generation of HVAC and mechanical contractors?
Sure. So it's a very important topic right now, and I'm sure many of your viewers know there's a big-time labor shortage when it comes to the trades. So we're really trying to invest a lot of attention, a lot of dollars and resources into trade school programs by offering different ways we can help support those programs, whether it be with service, tool donations, educational training. So what we're doing is we're going into a lot of these training facilities. We're offering up ways to allow that school to have top quality tools such as Klein Tools by doing different tool donations, doing top graduate awards to create some inner competition within that classroom, right, within that training program, to really allow those students to work hard to strive to win those awards. We have localized sales reps spread out throughout the country in Canada. A lot of those sales reps are going into the different schools, providing training on proper care and use of hand tools, ways to prevent injury, ways to properly use the tools on the job site, and truthfully just educating them on what tools they're even going to be using in the first place. Because a lot of these students, especially the apprentices in their first year, they're just getting started. So we need to be able to educate them, motivate them to stay within that program, and do all that we can do to equip those schools with the best quality tools, and obviously we believe that's Klein Tools.
Got it. And can you tell me kind of some differences between Klein Tools and then other hand tool manufacturers in the industry?
Yes. So first of all, Klein Tools has been around for over 165 years now. It's something we're very proud of. We're still family owned and family operated. And what that means is we completely control the process from the top down, from the design of a tool, the engineering of a tool, the special proprietary steel that is used in the USA made tools. We have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Mansfield, Texas. So we produce over 80% of our tools right here in the United States of America. So it's a complete vertical process. We do our own steel forging. We do our own handles, our grips on our tools. We inspect every single tool when it comes off that line to ensure that it's meeting the proper requirements before it goes out onto the job site. So we completely control that whole vertical process, which is unique because it obviously takes away the flaws that can be in a hand tool when purchasing overseas or buying a lower value option tool. So something we're extremely proud of.
Got it. And of course, AHR is a big launch space for new products on the floor. Can you talk about what's in the pipeline for new offerings coming from Klein Tools?
So we've been focusing on multi-tools, tools that can provide a lot of different functionality for the technician, so he or she doesn't have to carry around, a full bucket of tools or a full bag of tools, right? Creating one tool that can get the job done. So we're focusing more and innovating our current core offering by offering new features within our core, and I'll use the new forged crimper, the 2005N, as the example. We've had the 1005 for the longest time. I mean, you could pretty much find it at any electrical, HVAC, or plumbing wholesaler out there. But now we've created a new one where the blades are forged together, and we've included a wire stripping notch on the handle. So again, taking away making that tool just a crimper into now a wire stripper. And we're doing that with a lot of our core offering now. And then of course coming out with new multi-tools, which again, just have a lot of different multi-functionality. Back in 2018, Kline also purchased a company called Ergodyne. We acquired it, I should say. So we're still running Ergodyne and Klein Tools as two separate companies. Ergodyne's primarily known for safety, cooling, heating, and tethering products. So we're slowly starting to take Ergodyne products over into the Kline catalog. So coming out later this year, we're going to have a full range of safety offering. We currently have brand new hard hats that were just launched mid-part of 2019. But as we approach most likely the second quarter of this year, we're going to have a full line of glasses, safety vests, tethering products, new knee pads, respirators. So again, just expanding our selection for our customers.
And of course, the word smart and smart technology is very much so a trending topic in 2020. Can you talk to us about how you all's tools are getting smarter?
Yeah, so it all starts with, I would say, rechargeable. Not too many technicians these days want to deal with purchasing batteries and worrying about if that battery dies. What are they going to do? They're going to have to leave the job site, go to the store, buy new batteries for, whether it's a borescope or a scale or a leak detector or a flashlight that they're using. So we started coming out with more rechargeable products, also including Wi-Fi into some of our technology. We just launched last year our ET20 Wi-Fi borescope. It's been a great selling item for us. It goes to the contractor for a little under $100. But with that, we're using our cell phones or your smart device iPad as the screen on that borescope. And we're doing that because it reduces the cost for the technician. So we're getting smarter, right? We're using what's on our hip today, your cell phone. Every tech nowadays is using a cell phone for something on the job site, whether it's taking notes or getting readings off his or her test and measure equipment. So now, for instance, that borescope, the screen is your cell phone is your screen. It can take the readings that you're seeing, the video, you can take pictures. So just kind of evolving the modern day technology that we currently have into the tools, and again, allowing multi-functionality with the stuff that the techs already have. So just trying to come up with new ways to invigorate our products with more smart technology. And again, it all starts with rechargeable, getting into the Wi-Fi, and again, using more of that smart technology, using your phones and your cameras is the way to go.
And then just to wrap up, in general, what can our readers look for or look out for from Klein Tools in 2020?
Well, you can look for a lot of new products coming down the pipeline. I talked about a lot of multi-tools. I can't give away the secret to what's coming out quite yet, but coming out later this summer, we're going to have a brand new line of multi-functioning tools that I think a lot of the folks listening to today are gonna love. It's going to make their life a lot easier on the job, and it's also going to reduce the cost of tools, right? So again, providing one tool as opposed to buying 5 of them, which adds up pretty quickly when they can get that, all 5 of those tools into one. So just more multi-tools, again, expansion into the safety category with the Kline branded name on it. So a lot of good things to come this year.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you.
We hope to be able to break that news on the big secret with you guys this summer.
Yep.
Have a great rest of the show.
Thanks, you too. Appreciate it.